guys, we are living in the 21st century and lots of relationship aspects have changed. Social media is part of everyday life, but how does social media affect relationships? Is it a new relationship challenge for couples in the 21st century? And if so, what's the best way to stop it from ruining your relationships? For questions such as these, we reach out to our relationship coach, Daphna Levy. Daphna, thank you for being here again.
Great being here.
I appreciate you every time. So let's get straight to it. Is social media a false representation of relationships or life as a whole?
It certainly is. And a lot of people get worried about it because everybody looks so happy and so successful and their relationships are perfect and people get introverted. They start thinking, what's wrong with me? My life is not so good.
Yes. So it starts to affect them emotionally and mentally.
Yes.
Oh, man. So how does this partial story affect, I guess, the scroller, the viewer?
As I said, you get worried, my life is not as good, but you have to keep in mind that those people who are posting these things, they're not posting their disasters.
Right.
They're not posting their fights or their partner ignoring them.
Yes.
They only post the nice side of life.
That's true. I mean, and that's kind of natural, right? Because everybody, I feel like, has that guard up. Like, I only want people to know when things are okay. If somebody asks you how you're doing, your immediate response is, I'm good, even if you're not good.
That's right.
So is social media in a relationship a good thing or a bad thing? And is it healthy?
I hear a lot of complaints. And the biggest thing is that it's a huge distraction. Instead of two people communicating,
having a conversation.
I hear this complaint all the time. He or she is always on their phone.
Yep.
Going through Facebook and Instagram and so forth. And you stop living your life.
Yeah.
Instead of living your own life, you are a spectator in somebody else's life.
And for whatever reason, that seems interesting enough to ignore your significant other.
Yes, and ignore your children.
Yes.
People don't play with their children anymore.
Yeah.
They don't talk to their children.
Is this a new nuance to relationships in the 21st century?
Unfortunately, yes.
Okay.
And people need to be aware of it.
Yeah. I think that it's kind of like technology, right? I remember my mom when I was younger being like, oh, your dad's just watching TV. Like, he's focused on the TV. And at that time, that was the focus. And now it's like, oh, not only is there the TV that's on, sometimes they're not even paying attention to the TV. You're paying attention to, like you said, your phone, you're scrolling. There should be moments where we're just sitting there with our significant other, enjoying the moment, conversating, watching what's on TV. But instead, you're like, this is boring. I'm just going to look at my phone instead of having a conversation with you.
Correct.
Being present in this moment. So what do you tell people that are actually going through it? How do you fix this issue?
Well, there was actually one couple, one marriage that I saved simply because she agreed to stop focusing on technology so much. Because they would go to bed at night and she would be like looking through her phone, social media, their sex life suffered. So you have to control it, not have it control you.
Yeah, and I think that takes time and steps, right? You have to be self-aware of the fact that I am on my phone constantly. At one point or another, you need to kind of put it away. You need to turn it off and kind of disconnect from the digital world in a sense.
Absolutely.
Is that easy to do, or how do you set those boundaries?
It isn't easy for people to do, but you have to remember those moments that you have with your spouse, with your children, will never come back. Right. Your child will never be this age again.
That's true.
You'll never have the opportunity to have that conversation again. And you cannot take your relationship for granted. You always have to bond and rebond every single day of your life with your spouse, with your partner, and with your children. So for you to be distracted onto TV or social media instead of giving them your attention is really a waste of your life.
Yeah, you're busy double tapping and giving hearts to, different posts while not really giving love to those around you. Tell me, Daphna, how can people reach out to you if they're struggling with this issue or want just their own advice?
Call me at my office, 661-374-3790. Visit my website, marriageaid.com. and I will be happy to talk to you. Also, give us ideas. What do you want to know about?
Ideas. Thank you so much, Daphna.